are you all? This is Nazia. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Who are already following, thank you so much. And who are new followers, thank you and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today is all about Nykaa Black Friday sale. So I'm little late because it is going to upload on Sunday, I think so. So you still have a time to purchase these products if you like anything. So I have ordered a very huge package. It's almost like 20K I purchased because it's not like a promotion or paid promotion. It is just it's my restocking the products where I should not spend much money and I can grab into the Nykaa sale, Friday sale. So let me start. And before starting it, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and please do follow my Instagram and please DM me and please shower me some love, give a lot of views and like, share and comment. So let's go. So let's start with the face wash which I got in my hand. So this is a Sebamed clear face care gel. So it's improves oily skin, like it's really good for oily and acne skin. So definitely it's a worth purchase. So this is my second tube, I'm using it. So the second one is a Cetaphil. Oh my god, this is one of the bestest cleanser ever, and I never skip or I never stop using it, even though if I use any n number of face washes, because Cetaphil is the best cleanser, and as well as the moisturizer which is in the green tube, which it comes with a dam. So that is also really good. So these are the two products I got. Moisturizers I got is Bioderma. Many people has I mean, my dermatologist also said that you can use this as because you have a coming a lot of acne these days, so that's why it will nourish so much your skin barrier, and always keep it a very nice way. It gives a lot of moisturizer, so I really want to try this and I got it in a very huge discount, and I'm really happy that let me try and see how it will be. The Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hyaluronic Acid Water Gel Moisturizer. This is the best gel moisturizer ever. So I really love this. I don't remember how many dabbas I have been cleared. So that is the reason I want to purchase it, and I got it in a very big size. So worthy. Next products are sunscreen. So before going it's a very big vlog because it's a Nykaa Friday sale vlog. So please grab something, have some hydration and drink some coconut water, and watch it my vlog. Please don't skip it up, and please don't move forward it because you might miss some good products here. So please keep watching. So the sunscreens I order, usually I every time use a Crosscos sunscreen. So this time I want to go for a Beauty and Jason because I never tried Beauty and Jason of sunscreen, but this time I really want to use it. So I have ordered one which I got in the offer, and the second one is a Wish Care. And I love Wish Care because I have used a hair serum a lot in Wish Care and Pilgrim, but these days I'm using more Wish Care hair serum, which I will show in the vlog also. So Wish Care products are really so good. You have to purchase, and this sunscreen is also really good. It says chia and ceramides with a oat extracts and zinc PCA, and it's a light and matte finishing, and I really want to try it because I have seen a lot of reviews. These are two sunscreens I got. It about the toner, never ever forget or skip the toner because that is the most important first step of your face where you are applying any other serums or moisturizer or sunscreen. This is the first step, and the toner plays a lot of big role on the skin. So I have been telling since day one when I was started my YouTube, please don't skip toner. So this time I am using this toner. I am from, it's a Korean brand skincare, and this brand I am from is really very good. And I will show you. I have ordered very small package because I really want to try. It's a milk toner, and usually milk toners are so good on the face. So it's a vegan, it's a very nice product. So I really want to try this small toner. Might be it will come for me 1 month and it will show the lot of results, so then I'll buy a big product. The second one is a makeup remover, Centella makeup remover. I have heard about a lot about this product. Usually I use Garnier or else I use Face Shop cleanser, but this time I really want to try and I don't want to waste it on the big product, so I want to try the small one. If I really like it and it really suits my skin, definitely I'll skip, I mean, I'll extend it into the big bottle, and I really want to try. It's a very chotu sa bottle, and you can travel with this also. If this chotu sa bottle, if you have a big bottle, it's really hard to travel, so this is a very chotu bottle and really like it. I'll try this and I'll let you know whenever I do any makeup remover vlog. I'll definitely show it up for this to you. These days I'm getting a lot of acne on the same acne, like एक पे आता है और उसके ऊपर फिर से वही पे आता है, so I it's really hard for me to control it, and whenever I want to put it up like this, so I use this one, because you should not touch the pimple because it will stay the marks there. So that is why I have ordered this quench made in Korea. My god, this is the bestest pimple patch ever I tried. I never tried this. One of my friends suggested because she was using it, and I started using it, and I fell in love with this. And this is, I think, a fourth packet or fifth packet. I'm not sure, and it's really very very good patch, pimple patch. So definitely not to touch your pimple. It's a very suggestion. I know even I don't follow it, but still you have to keep it in brain and mind and not to touch your pimples. So the next product is a face packs. So I have used these face packs previously only, like I stopped using since 2 years onwards because I don't have a much acne that time. Now it's the time for me to switch back to those face packs because it controls my oil, excess oil, and it calm down my pimples. So these are the two most favorite, my most favorite face pack. One is a derma salic acid clay face masks. It is so good. It gives you a lot of prone skin, acne skin control, and it is a very chotu sa dabba. It's like, ye dekho, chotu sa dabba. I'm telling you, I have used these two bottles, and this is the third one after 2 years of gap because I have got a lot of acne. So now I need to control it up. That is the reason I'm using it. And the second one is a Dot and Key. This is like the bestest ever clay mask for acne, and as well as when you apply some, it will little show you little tingling or something, so you no need to worry about it because it is clearing up inside your skin. So it's a pollution plus acne defense green clay mask. So this is seriously so good for acne, and I already started using it because yesterday only I got package, and yesterday I had a little face pack with this. So you will get a small this one stick you can apply with. These are the two best face packs for the acne and as well as pore skin. So the best product I got is a Wish Care. I told you, like, Wish Care, I have already used this Wish Care 3 to 4 bottles, the small one. So this is the biggest bottle I am getting in a very less price. It is around 1300. I'm not sure, but I got in 1050, and I'm telling you, these products makes magic for your hair, but you have to be very consistency when you're doing any type of treatment on hair or face. You have to be very consistency, otherwise you can't see any type of results. You apply 2 days and you forget, and you come back again and you do for 2 3 days, and if you won't get result, you feel like, oh, I have wasted money on this product. Oh God, I heard her and she told me, he told me, it was like this. No, you have to have a consistency whenever you are using any type of product. It is a diet or skincare or hair care or body care, any type of, you have to be a consistency, then only you can see the results. Hair serum, I never ever skip any type of hair serum. Like, I love only one serum which I'm using from very decade onward. That is this one, L'Oreal. It's a very good for frizzy hair. So this is the only one product I always in love, and I always repurchase it, and I always keep it extra one bottle in my cupboard, in my vanity. So definitely it has to be. And this is really very good serum, and it is anti frizzy, anti breakage, and anti dryness about your hair. It will control it, give a lot of shine. So this is my good to go product, and it has to be refilled again and again. The brand I've been using, and I have done in one of the Nika haul, I have bought one small tube that is a Fix My Curls moisturizer. I want to have a natural hair curls rather than using a heater or any tongs. So I used that one, and I really got, because my hair is very straight, very silky. It's really hard for me to make it curls, but I am trying, and I use that product. it is showing a little result, like very small wavy curls rather than having a heavy curls, but it's really good. That is the reason I got this product again in the Nika sale, Black Friday sale, and I am loving it. And I'll show the package. This is a Dio. See, you can buy like anything. There is a four variants. I think you can use it any of it, but it mostly gives your hair natural curls and as well as very smoothing, like a very soft of your hair, especially in the edge of the hair. Like in the edge of the hair, it will really good. So this is the Dio pack, and I got it this two. Look at the packaging. It's really very good packaging. And one tube I got it around for 1.5 months, and I really loved it. So this time I'm planning to take a Dio, so I will use these two and thoroughly I'll enjoy this with L'Oreal shampoo, absolute repair. I have told in the Nika previous vlog also, like couple of months back, 1.5, 2 months back, I have done one Nika haul. So there I already bought it. It's finished, and this is the bottle. I will like repurchase this one and this serum. These two is good to go for me, and it's the best product. Whenever I swap any type of hair care, I will come back for this. This is the makeup remover which I'm talking about. It's a Garnier. I always use small bottles because I can travel easily, keep it in my travel bag. And now this time it's a very huge offer going on, and I want to grab it, the big bottle, and I grabbed it. My favorite makeup remover. Facial razors. This is the brand Carmesy, one of the good brand that you can use on your facial hair. If you are really a hard, I mean, like I can't able to do a threading, then this is the bestest way to clean it up your hair around your mouth, or any type of like in the under the chin or something. So I use only monthly once to clean up my face, because you will have a hair growth, you need to clean it up. So I'll do only once, but I don't put a razor on my face very hardly. I'll use monthly or 2 monthly once, because I have a very less hair on my body. Touch wood. I'm really happy for that. No hair on my skin, underarms or private parts, like very less for me. So this is the eyebrow. I stopped doing threading from almost a year, until unless it's a mandatory to make a shape, then only. Otherwise, I have stopped it because I don't want to make my skin very saggy, especially when you start doing the eyebrows, and you will get a double lid here, like it will get saggy your skin. So please do avoid it. Try to use some alternate ways to make your eyebrows shape. So this is the one I use, and I'll definitely show you how I will use this in a mini shot or something. So this is also a very good product. So now about the makeup, I have got something very nice concealer. I am not a foundation person. I conceal my like a spot and characters, and then I'll try to apply with that only a little spread up on my face. Now I am using the new foundation on my face right now, which I recently added in my makeup vanity. That is a Too Faced. Oh my god, it's a multi-using sculpting concealer. It's a super coverage. Can you see it? I just had a very little on my face, and it is giving a lot of coverage, so I really loved it. So this is concealer, contour, highlight and retouch, and my shade is a cookie. It's not Jungkook cookie BTS. It's a shade of cookie. So it's a cookie, and I really loved it. I started using it. Today I started, so it's very good coverage. And I thought like Too Faced might not suit my face, but it suited my face. So very good product. It is around 3,000 some change, and I got in a offer 2,100. It's a very good budget. I got this foundation I got is a Bobbi Brown. Guys, I have told you many times I'm a Bobbi Brown person, like foundation person. So I have been trying this W06 Honey. That is my shade of my skin. It's a weightless skin foundation, SPF 15, and it is been in the out of the stock. I do have a big size but not the small size one. It's a 13 ml. There is a big size, but I don't want to use the big one because, as I said, like I don't use much foundation on my face, but still it has to be a very small packages in my vanities, makeup vanities. So finally I found it, and this time they have changed the package. Like it's with a small design. Can you see it? Yes. So my shade is the W06 honey, and it's a perfect skin shade. I know it. I mean, like I can go blindly smudge it, a little spot corrector, just powder and blush, and get out from the house. So this is the best product ever. And or at least meet and greet whenever the Bobby Brown been doing any type of events for a YouTube contenter, then I should get invited for this. Other product I got is Estee Lauder. Estee Lauder is something which is a very savior for my skin, especially for the under eyes, and especially for the spot correctors. MAC and this is the two products which I swap sometimes, but these are the two only products which I use. I wait. I found somewhere. If I can't find in India, I'll try to ask my friends in the abroad to get for me. So it's a Estee Lauder Double Wear Flawless Wear Concealer. It's a magic. The previous product was little big. The bottle is little thick, I mean like little this much, and it's a very long. But this time they have been कंजूसी किया है शायद, I don't know. थोड़ा छोटा कर दिया है bottle, I don't know, but it's cost around heavy, like too much cost. It's like 3,100, and I got around something 2,500 change, and I got this from Nika only. But with that, they have sended me something, a freebie is called बॉबी ब्राउन के साथ ये बॉबी ब्राउन का लिप ऑयल दिया है, एंड विद दिस Estee Lauder they have given me benefit tint, and I never use the benefit tint. So let me see and try it how it will be, because many of my friends are using that, and I never tried, and they given me this bobby brown lip oil infused gloss, and the shade is slow jam. I have tried this slow jam. She told me there is a shades, ma'am. You can try it up. Which one you like, I can give you as a freebie. As because I bought a Bobby Brown foundation, इतना purchase किया तो definitely they have to give me something as it is going a sale. So, but I didn't brought this from the app. I went to the store and I got it. So that is why I got these two free products. If it is I have bought in the app, I would have get some small sachets or something, which is not useful also. So luckily I got this, and it's really very good lip oil. I really loved it, and for Estee Lauder they have given me as a benefit lip tint. So it's a very small travel package, and I really like it. I'll try to use and see how it will be. Eyeshadow palette, which is a Lakme Sunkissed, because I was planning to buy Kya Beauty Sunkissed palette, but it was out of stock. So I need something in the Sunkissed only. So I found it in Lakme. So I'm not sure, but it's a very few shades, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, only 9 shades. It's really a very good packaging. Very nice shades, the Sunkissed, and it's a actually MRP price is 425. I got for around 300. It's a divine into a world of endless look. Lakme, usually Lakme is a very good product. Some of the products I really liked it, but I stopped purchasing. I don't know why. It's been very long, like 4 to 5 years. Now I came back again for this, something which I really need in Sunkissed. So I got in the Lakme. I got one more foundation which is a restocking it, that is a Tir. As it is a Kim Taeyong BTS, no. As because of not he's a brand person for this product, not before that, only before he became a brand ambassador for that product. I have already used Tir, which is my shade 33N. I already told it. So after I came to know that Oh my God, Kim Taeyong is a brand ambassador, face of this Titiri foundation. So I'm very happy for that. And then I have finished this product, which is the shade 33N Machito. So I have restocked it because this is also a good to go daily product. I love this. See, this is the biggest one. Let me show you the small package because I know you guys won't believe I have been restocking it. Let me come. So this is the big product and this is the small package. Literally, literally. You guys has to believe me. When I'm showing something about the product, I have used it and I'm restocking it means it's a restocking. It's not a new purchase. So my shade is same 33, and so this the last product I got it is a nail polish and a lipstick. I have already told you I've been using this lipstick inside this much free, and I'm telling you guys the packaging so good, and as well as the product is really very good. I'm actually a eater, lipstick eater. If I apply anything like I'll do like this so it goes away. That is the reason I use a lot of lip tints or lip balms. But this is the bestest lipstick ever. I tried, and I have already two shades in this, and I got the another shade because I love plum shade. So I'll squash it up. So beautiful plum color, and I really love this, and it won't cost you around, it just around something 200 rupees, and actually MRP is a 200 and I got for around 135 something. And I do have another two shades, let me show you. So that these are another two shades which I got early only, like when I did a last like Nika haul or something. Yes, in the Nika haul. Now this is the third bottle, I mean like a third shade. So I have a three shades in this. So the shades are, I'll read the shades. It's 22 winter blues, and it is sunshine, and the new product I got is Stormy 23. The best matte finishing long stay inside lipsticks, much free. When it comes to eyeliner, I'm a big fan of Swiss Beauty, the eyebrow pencil, and as well as the liners, as I have a black eyeliner. No, now this time I really want to buy some colors, which is my three favorite color, green, blue and brown, to play around with my eyeliners. And this is like a sketch, like a pencil sketch, like when you draw something it will go very smoother on the paper, like that it will go smoother on your eyeliner. And I'm telling you, you can play around like anything with this, and I'll show you the black eyeliner which I have already. So here it is, the black eyeliner. I am obsessed with this eyeliner. Even if I go expensive product, this is the one which I really love, and I always use this. And in this brand only, Swiss Beauty, I got these three colors, that is a brown, blue and green. So these three are the pencils I got it because I am already using the black. Now I want to go for these colors which I'm madly in love, especially the green and blue. And I'll show you one by one how it goes smoother on your like skin. See, blue, brown, like pencil. It's like a pen, like you are holding a pen and you are just applying it. I'm telling you, it's a worthy product. I have been using very first time this color pencils because I already use only black. Black also. Very good product. Like without any hesitation, this is also the bestest product. You can go for it, and it's a very budget friendly. It's around $250, 250 rupees, and you are getting it around in 170, below 200 rupees, and it's a worthy product. Is a Nika. This is like some chromo type nail polish. I really like this packaging. It's so beautiful, and I have ordered this shade. What is this shade? I'm not sure. There are actually four shades. It's like it's good. I got it around like something 200 or something. It's really nice. I really want to try whenever I do any shoots. That's it. Otherwise, I'm not a big fan of nail polish. Biggest thing of this whole vlog is that a freebie I got from Nika, which I applied in the Nika app rather than going into the store and purchase it. A part of Bobbi Brown and Estee Lauder concealer, I got these many products. You know what they have sent me free? Seriously, I don't understand. Wherever you go in the Nika, they first give you in a hand is a Dot and Give face wash. If you have these products a lot in your manufacturing, please try to sell it rather than giving it free. Who wanted it? Whenever I buy anything in the Nika store or in the Nika app, this is the first product I get as a free. I don't understand. Second one I got is a this is vitamin C serum or something. Yes, it's a booster serum. Let me see how to use it because I'm not a big fan of vitamin C serum. I got very productive means useful product is this Neutrogena, as I have ordered this big one. They have sent me a very small one. I can use this for traveling. Small one. It's a good one. I got is a free, as I got it Bioderma face cream, moisturizer cream. So they given me a very small one. What is this? One note and this small tube. Very very small tube of Bioderma gel wash. But I'm telling you guys, this is a very good face wash. You will get a big bottle in that for a oily pore skin and acne skin. It's really a very good. That's all for this vlog, and I hope you really loved it, and thank you so much for staying until this long vlog. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please do follow my Instagram page, and please comment me for these links, or else I'll try to put it up. I'm trying every time, I'll try to put it up, but as I have a lazy thing to put it in the description. That's the reason. But definitely, if you comment me, I will definitely send you, or you can directly DM me in the Instagram. I will be more active there so that you can get a instant, like whenever you send me any message, I can give you a reply very quickly. So until the next vlog and next week, this is Nazia signing off. Please keep hydrating, love yourself,